Hey everyone, what is up? This is Latika and welcome to another video. This week's shout out goes to Chanchal. Thank you so much for your lovely comment this week. If you want to check me out on my other social media platforms, here are all the links. Okay, welcome to today's video. Now for today, you must have read the title. I'm sharing what I shopped from the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. Now honestly, I wasn't planning on filming this video. There are tons of Nykaa Pink Friday recommendations. Now I also happened to shop from the sale on the first day itself. Surprisingly, my parcels from Nykaa came within one day. So I was like, okay, there are tons of recommendations video out there. Why not go ahead and share my haul and first impressions of what I actually bought from the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. Okay, now a very big disclaimer here. Again, everyone's been saying it, but you don't need to buy a lot of products. Yes, some of the sale prices are very good, but please bear in mind only what you need. Even when I was shopping, I had like no intention of filming or just doing a haul. So I just shopped for what I needed and where I thought that the sale price was fair. My two packages have arrived. Yes, I'm barefaced right now. I am going to be trying on all of these products. Okay, I've laid out all the products. I think we have quite a nice range from different categories, so I think we'll go step by step. The first product I picked up was from Dot & Key Skincare. I've been wanting to try this brand since so long, and it was on sale. And overall for Dot & Key, the products are on 15 to 20% off. And on purchases above $9.99, you get their hand cream, which is a Pantene sanitizer and moisturizer for free. So this is the packaging for the exfoliating serum. As you open it, you have all the information listed down below, which is obviously very helpful. And this is then what the bottle looks like. And I cannot try this right now because after chemical exfoliation, I don't want to apply makeup. Trying this out later. Let me know if you want like a first time experience on chemical exfoliation and like a detailed review in a separate video. Now I also got their makeup removal balm, and I will be trying this out at the end. After I've applied all the makeup, I will be taking it off using this. So the next thing is the Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer. I've heard so much about this. There was a sale of around 20 to 35% going on Pond's, so I grabbed this. So let's try this out. Let's prep our skin. Okay, it is very like the texture is very water like. It is very thin. And it's like gliding on my skin, honestly. It's so budget friendly and my skin does feel hydrated for sure. And I think you can tell how it has left a nice little glow on my skin. Okay, let's move on. I have the Nykaa Face Primer Prep Me Up. I've heard a lot of good things about this and I haven't found a good primer in a long time. Okay, the color is transparent, which I like in a primer, and it is of a very jelly-like consistency. So I'm gonna... Oh wow. Okay, again, that's going on very smoothly. I think it's doing a pretty good job at like filling up the pores as well. As it mentions that it's to tone, smoothen and perfect, and I think it is doing the job very well. My pores definitely feel filled up. The texture of my skin is very smooth. Like, I'm so excited for the foundation to just glide on. And the second thing I got is also their foundation. And on this, when I purchased, there was no discount. But right now, as I was checking, this is on 50%. It is their Skin Shield foundation. I've heard so many great things again about this. So I would highly suggest you grab it for 50%. Okay, this is what it looks like. Yes, I eyeballed my shade and I chose 02 Very Vanilla. So let's just hope that this is a match. I will be doing one side of my foundation with a beauty blender and one side with a brush. Okay, that seems about right. Okay, I think I did a good job at like picking up my shade. 02 Vanilla is going pretty well. So it's a pretty medium coverage foundation, and honestly it's not that hydrating. It is kind of emphasizing my texture a little bit more, but it is blending out pretty well. Okay, I like how it's going on with the brush. I think it's blending out really nicely in fact. And I'm also just going to go over with the beauty blender side with the brush. Okay, let's move on. The next thing I got is the very famous again NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. Now again, I haven't and still found the perfect concealer. So I'm super excited, and I got it in the shade 01 Porcelain. It is blending out nicely, but it's not still, I feel like, the coverage that I want. I love how it's looking on like the other parts of the face, how it's highlighting, doing a really good job. Okay, so we are all concealed up. This is what my face looks like, and at NYX they have a nice offer of up to 50% going on. Okay, so I already did my brows, and now for eyes I have two very exciting products. The first, again, it's such a highly recommended product, is the Swiss Beauty Metallic Eyeshadow, which they call the Stilaka dupe. So let's open this up. I'm so excited. I got it in the color Champagne. It looks really pretty. Let's give it a try. I haven't put any other eyeshadow as of now. I'm just gonna put this and let's see how it works. Okay, that is stunning, honestly. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend the edges out. Okay, that blended out beautifully. It's looking so nice on the eyes. It's not drying up very quickly. You have time to like buff the edges out. Also, I like the size of the applicator. I didn't buy any eye products, so I'm just gonna go ahead. This one from Sugar Cosmetics, and they have up to 10% discount if you're interested in this liner. Also, can you see how smoothly the liner went on the glitter eyeshadow? Okay, the next thing I wanted was like a white kohl or eyeliner under the eyes. I think it just makes the eyes or any eye makeup pop. A lot of them were sold out. The only one I found was this one from Max Factor. This is their kohl pencil in the shade 010 white. Went on very smoothly, and it's pretty pigmented. Even though this was a little bit pricey, but I think the results are clearly visible. Okay, for lips we have two options. One is the Nykaa Paint Stick. It came in the shade 2020. It's a nice dark brown shade, and I don't wear brown, so I think we're gonna skip this one. But this is what it looks like. You'll be getting a random shade of this lipstick if you order like from the Nykaa offer. And the next thing what I picked up was the Maybelline Creamy Matte. I love their formulas. A lot of Maybelline products are on 50% off, especially a lot of the top products like Fit Me, Superstay. I got the Creamy Matte in the shade Nude Nuance. I'm very excited to try this. Okay, this is what the lipstick is looking like. The shade is a tad bit darker than what I'd expected, but it went on so smoothly. It's so pigmented. I love this range of theirs. I would highly recommend. Also, I like that this shade has like hints of brown, a pinkish. It's a little bit bright but not so much. So yeah, overall I'm very happy. Before we move on and take the makeup off with the Dot & Key makeup remover, I just thought to shout out some brands that I thought have really good offers going on. So L'Oreal and Lakme have a good discount of 30 to 50% going on most of their products. Benefit, again, a really nice brand, has 10 to 30% going on. So I would highly recommend checking that out. And then K-Beauty, Makeup Revolution and LA Girl were at a flat 20%. Again, I felt that this deal is a really good deal. Now, one thing I think consistent across Dot & Key is that how their packaging is so premium. Again, it has a really nice feel-good value to it. You know, all of their products just feel so good. And this is the bottle itself, which again so many people love. Frosted glass bottle with the kind of wavy shaped cap, and also across all of their packaging there's tons of information. And even though right now I don't have a lot of powders on my face, but let's see how this performs, especially with the lipstick. Okay, I am back after removing all the makeup. I haven't double cleansed at the moment, but this is what my skin's looking like just after using the balm, and I think it has done a pretty good job. The liner is completely off, brow products are off, lipstick is off, and my skin feels soft and nourished. It does not feel harsh, it does not feel dry. Like, it feels really good and soft. So yes, I'm pretty happy, and this also concludes my Nykaa Pink Friday sale haul. I had such a great time shooting this, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you got some recommendations. Drop down in the comments below what product you are excited to try on most in this sale. And yes, any questions, queries, anything I missed out, feel free to drop that out in the comments box, and all the links will be updated in the description box below. And yes, any other suggestions, ideas, feedbacks, thoughts you may have, please leave them down, and I shall see you very soon with another video. Bye.